To begin the process of finishing your finance application, please find the 2 emails sent to you by the Finance Manager. Sometimes, one of these can end up in the junk folder, as you can see. If this happens, just move it to your inbox. The first email we will address is an e-signature that can be performed by clicking on the Review Document button, which will open your web browser. You will be requested to enter a one-time password generated via text message by clicking on the Get OTP button. Once you have received the text message, please enter the password and continue with the Verify button. Enter your mother's maiden name and your place of birth in the text fields provided. You must then open the 3 PDF files before continuing. Feel free to peruse these documents before closing them. Confirm there are green ticks in the status column and click Next. All that is left is to sign your signature as best you can with the mouse. I know it feels awkward, just do your best and click Approved. This step is now complete. Time to move on to the second email. The next step is submitting your banking history. This is done by clicking the link or by copying the link address and pasting it in your web browser address bar. Please tick the box to agree to terms, conditions, and privacy policy, then click Start. If you receive any centerlink benefits, please use the first option, MyGov, and follow the prompts to log into your MyGov account. This will automatically send through the required documents to our finance team. If you do not receive centerlink benefits, please select the second option. Search and select who you bank with. We'll go with ANZ just for an example. Log in using your banking customer account number and online banking password. Note: your online banking password is not your mobile banking PIN. Please contact your bank if you do not know your password. After clicking Submit, you will be presented with your accounts. Please make sure they are all ticked and proceed. It might take a minute to load your documents. Just be patient and wait for confirmation. Do not refresh. This will send all the relevant information to our finance team.